Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Good morning. Hey, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout, hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hello, friends, and good morning. Uh-oh. Welcome back to our morning circle time. Let's dive right into the months. Now, how many of you can tell me how many months are in a year? If you answered 12, you are correct. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, who remembers what month number we are currently on? While you're thinking about what month number we're currently on, let's listen to the month of the year song. All right, just pulling it up now. Before we begin, I'm going to give you a hint. We're either on month 2, month 4, or month 6. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Let's sing it one more time. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. All right, friends. So, are we on month 2, month 4, or month 6? If you answered month 4, you are correct. Let's count down to month 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Month 4 is called April. The current month of the year is April. Let's put April on our calendar. So now that we know the month of the year, let's review the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Think about what day is in the middle as we sing our Days of the Week song. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing the choir. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them all. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to cut them all. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. All right, 7 days are in a week. So to recap, yesterday was Tuesday, tomorrow will be Thursday, which means in the middle is our friend Wednesday. If you thought the day of the week was Wednesday, you are correct. But we still don't know the date. So let's start with number 1 and count down to our current date. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and behind this flap is lucky number 15. I'll show you guys. The date is the 15th. So friends, let's put our calendar together. The month is April, the day is Wednesday, and the date is 15th with the year 2020. When we say that all together, we would say today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. But we aren't done yet. We still need to go over our seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. We have spring, summer, fall, and winter. Who remembers what season we are currently in? Is it spring? Is it summer? Is it fall? Or is it winter? If you answered spring, you are correct. The current season we are in is spring. The fun thing about spring is we can have a variety of temperatures. Our temperatures can range from cool, warm, and hot. So taking a look at the weatherman report saying that today is going to be 78 degrees, we can help gauge what the weather will be like today. I want you to think about what the weather is like for 78 degrees and look out your window while we listen to our weather song to talk about the weather. Let's check it out. Is it sunny when you look outside? Is it cloudy when you look outside?
raining when you look outside?
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees? Is it windy?
Is it windy when you look outside?
W-I-N-D-Y.
Is it foggy when you look outside?
F-O-G-G-Y. Is it snowy?
And last but not least, is it snowing?
S-N-O-W-Y. Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see?
All right. So we have just reviewed the weather and thought about it. We know that the temperature says it's 78 degrees. And in order for it to snow, we have to have cold temperatures. So we can eliminate the fact that it's snowing. Next, we have stormy and raining. When you checked outside, did it seem wet outside and cloudy? If the answer is no, we can eliminate stormy and raining. Moving on to foggy. Do you think it's foggy outside? When you checked, could you see in front of you? Was it kind of hard to see the ground, or was it hard to see the sky? If you could see the sky, we can eliminate it being foggy. So I don't think that's it today. When you looked outside, were the trees moving and the leaves blowing? That's a possibility. So let's move on. That's one of our possibilities. When you looked outside, was it super cloudy? Was there no sun? I don't think that one's it, because I see light shining in through the windows. So we can eliminate cloudy. But it's possible that it's partly cloudy with some sun and some clouds. So that's possible. Is it clear skies today? Hi Teddy, you want to help me? Clear skies means very little clouds and all sun. I think that's a possibility too. So we'll leave that as an option. Last, is it sunny today? Well, I definitely see some sun, so I know there's sun involved. So our choices are sunny, clear skies with sun, or partly cloudy and sun. Well, I think we have some clouds. When I looked outside, I saw clouds. So I'm going to say it's not just sunny. And if it's not just sunny and I see clouds, I can also eliminate clear skies. So that leaves us with partly cloudy and windy. I didn't really see some leaves blowing in the wind. So I'm going to eliminate windy, and I'm going to arrive at our final answer, partly cloudy. Some sun and some clouds. So we know that it's partly cloudy, but we don't know whether it's cool, warm, or hot today. We know it's not cold because we already talked about how it can't be snowing. So let's look at cool. Cool is temperatures 30 to 50 degrees. So 30, 40, and 50 degrees. 78 is more than 30, more than 40, and more than 50. So we know that it's not cool today. Let's move to warm. Warm is anywhere from 50, 60, and 70 degrees. I think that's pretty close, but it's definitely, 78 is definitely more than 50 degrees. It's more than 60 degrees. And even though it's close to 70 degrees, it is more than 70. We have 78 that we're looking for. So we know it's not going to be warm. Finally, we have temperatures in between 70 degrees, 80 degrees, 90 degrees, and 100 to come to hot. 78 is less than 100, less than 90 degrees. It's even less than 80, but it's more than 70. So our temperature is right in the middle of 70 and 80. And it means it's showing us that it's going to be hot today. So our temperature today is 78, partly cloudy, but it's hot. So we can dress for warm temperatures. And that is our weather. So now that we have concluded with our calendar and the weather, let's move on to doing our colors. As I'm reviewing the colors, I want you to think about what the color of the week is. Let's see if you remember. So we have pink, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. Let's do it with our signs. We have pink, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. So while we were thinking, I will give you 3 choices. Was it red? Was our color of the week yellow? Or was it blue? If you picked yellow, you were correct. Yesterday, I sent home a yellow song to listen to. I hope you reviewed it. And for my yellow item today, I have a toy yellow school bus. See how they match? I wonder what yellow things you have found in your environment. Now let's talk about our shapes. We have 7 shapes down here. We have the circle, the square, the triangle, the rectangle, the heart, the star, and the hexagon. Do you remember our shape of the week? I'll give you a hint. It has 5 points. Let's review them again. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, heart, star, and hexagon. Was your guess a star? If so, you were correct. For my star shape that I found, I have 2 starfishes. See how they match in shape with 5 points? I also have this painted starfish that was a Christmas ornament. It too even though it looks slightly different than the other starfish, has 5 points like this star. Later today, I will be sending home a cute little star song for you to listen to, as well as the common Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song that I'm sure many of you have heard your parents sing to you. All right, friends. Now let's review our letters. As I go through the letters, I want you to think about if you remember what the letter of the week is. Let's do our letters. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Keep on thinking what the letter of the week is while we do our signs. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So the letter of the week, if you thought it was C, you were correct. Now, I want us to practice writing our C's in the air before moving on to our numbers. This time we're going to take our pointer fingers and we're going to hold it up high and we're going to go out at a curve and then round back in and go slightly up again. That is an uppercase C. Let's do it again. Start up high with our pointer finger, go out, around, and then go back up. Now let's do a little C. With our pointer finger, we don't go quite as high, and then we go up, around, 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 curve, 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 and slowly come back in a little bit, and up. Let's do it one more time. Not quite as high with our pointer finger. Go up, curve around a little bit. Keep on curving back towards in and up a little bit, and you have a lowercase c. Thanks for practicing your C's with me. Now we can move on to counting. We have 20 numbers here, and one of the numbers is our lucky number of the week. Do you remember what our lucky number of the week is? Let's think about it while we do our counting. All right, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do it one more time, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to give you 3 numbers to guess our lucky number of the week. 9, 13, and 17. If you answered that the number of the week is 13, you are correct. For my 13 items, I have these colored pens. Why don't you help me count them as I put them back in their jar? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 pens for our lucky number of the week, 13. Now, who is ready to count to 100 by 5s? Start with our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now push forward for every 5. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Good job, friends. Let's do it again. You continue to push your hand forward, and I'll count with our charts. Ready? Let's begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's see if we can speed it up by counting to 100 by 10s. Let's get our hands ready. Hands ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Let's do it one more time with the chart. Hands ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's look at this chart for a second. What number do we try to get to on a clock? Is it 80? Is it 100? Or is it 60? It is 60, friends. There are 60 seconds to a minute, 60 minutes to an hour. Good job, friends. Now let's look at our clock. There are 12 hours on the clock, and we do it 2 times, once in the morning and once in the evening. Between the 12 and the 1 is either 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Between the 12 and the 2 is either 10 seconds or 10 minutes. Let's start by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There are 12 5s around the clock. Now let's do it by 10s. 12 to 2 is 10, 2 to 4 is 20, 4 to 6 is 30, 6 to 8 is 40, 8 to 10 is 50, and 10 to 12 is 60. There are 6 10s around the clock. And 1 time around the clock either equals 1 minute or 1 hour for the big hand. And that will conclude our circle today. Let's listen to a short "See You Later" song that you can get up and dance to. And then I will catch you tomorrow. All right, friends. Bye. See you next time.